In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a poster as a high-resolution print-ready PDF in Adobe Illustrator. This is an essential skill for anyone working closely with designs that need to be printed professionally. Whether you're preparing marketing materials for a big event or simply archiving your designs, being able to produce a high-quality PDF can make a significant difference to the outcome. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Let it load up and get ready for action. It's always a good idea to ensure your Illustrator software is updated to the latest version before starting, as this can provide you with the latest features and bug fixes. Once you've opened Adobe Illustrator, locate the top menu bar. Here you'll find various options to manage your document. Go ahead and click on File to open the drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to many actions you can perform on your document, such as creating, saving, or exporting your work. Next, from the drop-down menu, select the Save As option. This function allows you to save your current project under a new name and, more importantly, in a different format. Pay close attention at this stage as we are preparing your file to become print-ready. After you select Save As, you'll be prompted with another window. In this window, choose the option Save on your computer. This option is particularly useful if you are looking to store the file locally, keeping it easily accessible for any further edits or use. In this window, you'll also find a drop-down menu labeled Format. This is where you can specify how you would like your project to be saved. Scroll through the options until you find PDF. Select this, and doing so will ensure that your poster gets saved as a PDF, which is essential for high-quality printing. Once you've set the format to PDF, go ahead and click on the Save button. This action brings up the PDF save settings, which you can customize according to your printing needs. For instance, you may want to adjust the compression settings to balance quality and file size. Or you might want to embed all your fonts, ensuring your text prints correctly. These choices can enhance the print quality. And there you have it. Your poster is now saved as a high-resolution, print-ready PDF. By following these steps, your design work will be safeguarded with the quality it deserves. Remember, the clarity and detail of your final print are largely dependent on the settings you choose during this process. So feel free to explore different settings to see what best suits your project needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these instructions helpful. Be sure to subscribe and check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks in Adobe Illustrator.